Yan po ang ating cake. Okay. Ayan na sa ating birthday cake. There you go. Ayan. Sir Ruel, do you mind? Sama ka doon kay nanay para sa birthday mo. Sama ka doon. With the family member at least. Ayan. So everybody, once again, sabay-sabay po tayong kumanta ng birthday song para po kay nanay. DJ Music.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Dapat ka po mas malakas at mas masaya. Pag ready ka na, pwede mo na i-blow ang iyong candle. There you go! Palakpakan naman po natin at sabay-sabay po natin siyang batiin ng isang malakas na happy birthday in 1, 2, 3!
Happy birthday!
Woohoo! Maraming salamat po. Nay, upo ka na. Balik ka na ulit sa upuan mo. At ngayon naman po, game po